In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a modded version of the Rise of Kingdoms on your phone, and this works on iPhone and Android, no jailbreak needed, and it gives you unlimited everything. As you can see, I got 84 million, 88 million, 61 million, 73 million. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this, so let's get right into the video. So the first step is to go to this website right here. So the website we're going to go to is called tweakgpt.com. Alright, so once we get onto this website, we're going to go to the search bar, and we're just going to go ahead and type in Rise of Kingdoms. Alright, so let me just, oh my gosh, bro. Let me just type that in right here. So I'm just going to do Rise of Kingdoms. And as you can see, it should come up, and it says looking for Rise Kingdoms mod. Go to Zoo Mod, search Rise Kingdoms, click on the app. So we're going to do that whole process. So takes us to this website. We're going to type in Rise Kingdoms, and if we could spell it right, it would pop up. There it is, Rise Kingdoms mod. Press on it, press down button, wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it will download. So be sure to try it out. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again, but I will show you on the App Store. As you can see, guys, if we type in Rise of Kingdoms, you can see it is super expensive, bro. Like, I am not paying for this. It's just not who I am. Bro, what the hell? Nah, bro. Don't be like that with me. What the heck? So, as you can see, I got so much money, guys. So, be sure to try us out. See you guys in another video. Yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and fully works, guys. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. Totally updated. And yeah, peace out.